Oh my God, you are the devil. Tried to kill the soul that I fought so hard to save. Hallowed by my love for you, always stop me going under. Follow every step I take, 'cause I was a coming down. You're the devil, running through my mind. I can't get on your level. I swear to God I tried. I am not at this spell. Turn around and turn ahead. You cannot be anymore. Oh my God, you are the devil. Stuck in the back of my head and I'm through. I got the devil inside me and everything that seems through. Vision was blurry, I'm in a hurry, my skin is starting to shed quick. Call up the doctor, swallow some pills, maybe I'll wake up in bed. I'm a disaster, can I move faster? Honey, I'm off the edge. No funny stopping me, I'm not your property, gotta take care of the ledge. My friends are dead, in my head, I gotta get up these meds. I'm unstable, willing and able to put this body to pledge. Oh my God, you are the devil. Oh my God, you are the devil.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there. It's strange.
करो भुइया ना भुइया लगा
Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon. But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to